So I've been working a little bit on my mate project, and I've updated it over the weekend and spent a few more days working on it throughout the week. Um, I've reintroduced the live file changes, so we can open up a browser and we can start running some commands on it in our campaign file, and we can just load another command whenever we want, and we can see it happening in the console and in the browser as well, because we're using Chrome driver now instead of Phantom.js to just be able to visualize what's happening. It's a little bit easier for debugging. So I've got this test file at the moment which just has one command in there in the campaign file. The command is open and the data is google.com, so it's just going to open google.com when I run this. So let me try that now. I'm just going to call it with test. It'll add .json at the end. Okay, so we can see that it's opened google.com. It's redirected to .co.uk because I'm in the UK, and it's just waiting for the next command, which it doesn't have at the moment. So what we'll do is we'll say let's say we'll select all elements on the page where the CSS selector is input name equals q, and that will give us hopefully the input field for the search box. We just saved it and it ran that already. That was very quick. So we can see that it's actually picked that up, and we can then use the data that we got from that command by adding another command. Let's say get attribute values, and with the data this is a mixed object. So normally you would provide a from step and you would say from step 1, but it will always use the from step of the previous command if you don't specify it. So we'll just say we're looking for the attribute, the value from the attribute name tag name, and this should correspond to input, which we can see that it does. So that's good. And yeah, that's really it. So let me finalize this by passing the done command, and we can optionally specify a file name where we want to save this to. So let's just call this test done and save that. So you can see it's saved into file name output test done.json, where success is true, and in theory we should see all the information about all of these commands in there. So let's have a look now. Test done.json. So here are my commands. The open command was processed, the result was true. The select all command was processed, and here are the results. You can see all of the properties that it brought back from that input name equals q field, and we were looking for the tag name on that, which was input. So on the next command, get attribute values tag name, the data was input, and then we were done. And that's it.